Apparently my 2010-2011 Donruss break was too long, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that one up there. But right now we're going to open up some, I guess, free victory packs that they gave me and luxury suite. So maybe we'll hit something in these victory packs. I wouldn't mind it. Stars of the game, Sidney Crosby. Show that to you real quick. Not really numbered or anything. MVP Jeff Skinner, fake autograph. Obviously not numbered. And base. There we go. Victory. Okay. Base. Game breakers. And that is Taylor Hall. And Eric Johnson, MVP, fake signature. And base. I guess I get these free packs for ordering over $100, I guess. Rookie Chris Van Velde. I have no idea who he is. Maybe you guys do. Not numbered. And base. These base cards are pretty god awful, honestly. Kind of boring. Oh well. There's free. I'm not complaining. Base, stars of the game, Drew Doughty, and we got Derek Waugh, MVP. Derek Roy, sorry. Base. No rookie. Joe Colborn. Actually, I believe he's pretty good. And base. Game breakers, Henrik Zetterberg. And MVP, Sergei Bobrovsky. And base. Got two left here. Rookie, Zach Ronaldo. And base. Last pack. Stars of the game. Pavel Datsyuk. And a weird rookie card. I'll have to look it up. MVP rookie. And that is of Jonathan Bloom. So, and base. So, that was our hits in that. Just not really hits, but inserts. Okay. On to the luxury suite. Let's do this. Ended up pulling something really good in this one last time. We got a 10 out of 10. Or 9 out of 10. Checklist. 2 and 2. Okay. Alright, we got a pretty thick pack there, and a thin pack, and two reasonably thick packs. We're going to save this thick one for last. Okay. see what we get. Okay, we got a Jake Musin rookie card. Get that on there. And that one is out of $8.99. And we got a Scott Gomez jersey card. That one's out of $5.25. That's weird. It's usually $5.99, but I can get that on there. There you go. $5.25. So that's it. And Zach Dalpe rookie card auto, on-card auto. And that, my friends, is 4 out of 10. Oh, it's gold. That's why. I like that. I like that a lot. That's a good hit. Good hit. Okay. Moving on to the next pack. Okay. We got TJ Brody rookie card. We got a Sidney Crosby jersey card. This one is numbered out of $5.99. And wow, this is a nice card. Nick Foligno and Chris Neal, 2 prime jerseys. Actually, very nice prime jerseys, as you can see there. And it is 47 out of 50. It's a good hit. Okay, third pack. Okay, we got a Nathan Lawson goalie rookie. That one is numbered out of $8.99, like all the other rookies. We have a Zach Parise jersey card, numbered out of $5.99. And we have Travis Hamonic rookie card auto. That one is out of $4.99. 44, not $4.99. That works. Okay. There's the thick pack. Last pack. Looks like we have actually 4 cards in this one, which is weird. Oh no, we have a redemption, but we have a rookie. And this guy is Brandon Mashinter of $8.99. We have Mike Smith goalie. Oh, that's a spacer. Never mind. And that one is out of $5.99. And ready for it? Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Okay. And we got a Simon Nolet right wing. Right there. Signature. On-card signature. And that is 17. Ooh. That is his jersey number. How about that? 17 out of 199. 17. Alright guys, thanks for watching. All of the cards will be eventually up at my eBay page. I'll have it posted at the bottom. Thanks for watching.